What's up?
Yo, Blue, I can see. Blue, I can see through the map.
I can hear him.
Oh yeah, I know that too. Yeah, I don't want
Yellow pepperoni.
purple.
Guys, wait, Red, don't leave yet. Red, don't leave yet. What is your YouTube channel? Oh my God, we're brothers. We have the same color codes. Brother.
Jump like this and put your hands like this. Do like you catch the ball with this hand and put it on this hand, so you stay. Okay, what's the code? And I overshot that. You know. Go. You know what I mean? It's this way. I know.
Bye-bye.
What?
You can't even see it.
You want shiny rocks? I'm giving away free shiny rocks. No! It's a mic. You're just camping me. I like it cut.
You fucking black.
That wasn't even me.
That wasn't even me that time.
Go back to your hood, I don't care. Go back to your hood. You hoodlum.
Blood really just said that.
You hoodlum. Go back to your hood. I'll see you. Go back to your hood.
For real, quit playing, bro. Hold up a
Hi, target this, secret tunnel, target.
Shut up.
Come here, Black. Come on.
No.
I'm not kidding.
No!
I messed up.
Yay!
Alright, see, let's go. Let's go. Wait. Get a life, kid.
Bro, you should get a life.
I tagged you first. And you're the first one to be tagged. How do you feel about that? At least that tag will last time. What is goody, my little gang?
What is goody, my gang? Get your money up, not your funny up, you dig?
You're not.
We.
Yeah, we heard you.
Wonder what his parents think.
I wonder what his. That's gotta be.
Oh,
cap.
how do you know?
Yeah, that's so cap. Yeah, how do you know? You don't even have any.
You don't even live with him. Do you have him in your basement or something, bro?
What
Good,
is
man,
that?
got your money up.
You're funny. Absolutely obliterated.
What?
I did it.
I told him boy could fly.
Hi.
Snitch, Panda Z.
I did
Snitch,
secret
Panda
tunnel.
Z. There is a snitch in the. Why did it mess me up? There is a snitch in the dark blue sea.
What?
Snitch, Panda Z.
Bro,
Bro,
did not touch me.
Nah, bro.
He hit you with the Drake.
Nah.
I'm Drake. I can be Drake. I can show you how to be Drake. Ooh, looks like there's a little lava monkey right there. What's that little lava monkey doing?
Snitch, Panda Z. Snitch, Panda Z. There is a snitch.
You're gonna do it. Bro, look up top hat. Yeah, dude. Oh, there's tag.
Wait, are you a girl?
Bro, there's tag.
Not. You top at. Oh, I think you're walking.
Yeah, chat.
Yes, you are.
Fat.
You're lonely then. You're so lonely, dude.
I hit my controller.
Are you sure you have one?
Bro, there's tag like. There's tag like. There's tag like. Trust. There's tag like.
Put it on God.
Now my controller sounds like a razor.
Tag him then. Tag him.
No, actually.
No,
no,
hear
not
my
me.
controller?
Take-
It sounds like a razor.
Oh God, you going to hell, bro.
What, the monkey?
Nope. Nope.
No,
That's it,
look,
bro. It sounds.
Put that on God.
No, bro. It sounds like a razor. Look, listen. Don't you hear that razor?
Nah.
So that's my
Who is the razor?
Oh, you're dead next, Ray. You're dead. Y'all hear that razor?
Yeah.
No one hears that razor. I'm Briggs.
Bro, who's not tagged? Just tag him. Okay, I'm lagging.
Thank you. Do it to this one.
I got him! I just teleported, like, back at Stump for, like, a split second.
Dude, he got off.
There's another lava monkey. What? Dang it.
Yeah.
Daddy's back here.
I think my audio doesn't show
Right, that's it, bro. Oh, you slippery monkey. Oh,
Dang,
mine.
what?
Oh, wait.
He just got two.
Oh, this guy's mine.
What?
Thank you, thank you.
You're very not welcome.
Hey, man, that's offensive.
Tag this kid in his booty hole.
Yo!
So glitchy, I'm glitchy.
We heard you the first
Hey.
8,000 times.
I messed up.
I'm crazy.
I'm done, dude. I'm done for, my guy.
Nah, you're gonna still do this. I get juked so easily. Yeah.
In half of the places on this map, I can't even get to
No, you're not
anyway.
lucky that my arms didn't reach you.
Did anybody see me do secret tunnels?
I saw you. I saw you do it. I saw you do it.
You did see me?
I'm not sure that's my tunnel.
No one gives a yee-ass fuck about you. I'm gonna beat the fuck out of you. I'm gonna beat the fuck out of you.
Because if you did it, I'ma have to dig you.
Have to take you down.
Hey,
No, come here,
Black.
Blue.
get back here.
Wait. Uh-oh.
No, hold up. Come here.
Nah.
Go over
Nah.
Let's see what you secret tunnel.
I'm
No.
just made it look at me.
To target.
Do secret
At
tunnel.
least look. Come down here. At least look.
I saw that guy do it.
Just look.
Nah.
Why are the
Nah,
Look behind you.
bro.
I'm not
Bro,
doing
stop
anything.
following me.
I'm not doing
Where's the other
anything.
kid?
Please.
Look. Look
What's
up.
up?
Oh, thank you.
Look up. Just look up.
Toxicity.
What's up, good gang?
Oh, another kid went in, and I'm trying to find
Bro,
him.
you're lucky I just let you spare, bro.
Get out of here, Drake.
So that you could let it go. Hung up on somebody that you used to know.
You didn't have a good enough.
No one was
Oh, I just
fooled
took a
by
dookie
that
and it
track.
smells really good.
Bro, we both have the staff.
Blue is camping.
I
What
did not
was
introduce
that
myself.
No, like,
Oh, there's another cowboy hat. There's two. There's two of you.
Yo. I'm a
should I keep my orange shirt or should I put in? Hey guys, my ugly,